Last year, India outshone Germany to become the fourth largest automobile market with more than 29 million vehicles produced in 2017-18 itself. The domestic sales saw an increase of approximately 10%, while automobile exports rose a whopping 16% during the same period. As one of the largest automotive industries in the world, UPES has created a unique course in auto marketing to acknowledge the growth and potential of this industry. With automobile industry rooming full speed ahead, why don't you opt for UPES BBA in auto marketing? We teach sales and marketing techniques developed exclusively for the automobile industry. The BBA Auto Marketing by UPES is a specialized course with management and aviation added to provide a wholesome knowledge base. Industry experienced faculty teach basic concepts and business processes involved at each management level. Summer internships at relevant industries make the students understand the supply and value chain of the organization. A compulsory project on the aviation industry enables the understanding of the industry's business management and operations. Skills are developed through personality development and student exchange programs. Guest lectures, workshops, and seminars by industry leaders. Our students are placed with Audi, Jaguar, etc. as business developers in sales and marketing and more.